Claude just changed the way trading works forever, and it built this entire trading algorithm that you can see on my screen right now. A few months ago, this would have taken me hours to put together by manually coding it. But right now, you can describe a trading strategy in plain English, and Claude will write a full trading algorithm in the background that knows exactly how you trade and will make decisions for you without the human emotions getting in the way. By the way, even though I'm about to show you how I use AI to trade, this is not financial advice. 98% of traders lose money, so I'm by no means implying that you are going to be in that 2%. I'm simply just passing down lessons that me and our clients have learned from our experience in the markets. Most traders assume the gap between manual trading and algo trading is technical. They picture lines of code, server infrastructure, and quant finance degrees. That image has kept retail traders manually clicking buy and sell for decades, while institutions have run algorithmic systems for just as long. Every trader who has ever drawn a support line on a chart already understands the logic behind automated systems. Price reaches a level, a condition is met, and a trade gets placed. The only thing standing between a manual trader and an algorithmic one has always been the translation layer, converting a strategy that lives in your head into something a machine can execute without your emotional interference getting in the way. Claude is now that translation layer, and it allows anyone to build these algorithms that were previously only available to hedge funds and the likes. What this actually looks like in practice. Here's how it works. Say you trade a support and resistance. Your rule is simple. Price pulls back to a key support level, holds up, and you enter along with a stop just below the level and the target at the next resistance zone. You've traded that setup for 100 times manually, so you know exactly what it looks like and what the conditions are. Instead of sitting at your screen waiting for it to appear, you describe that exact logic to Claude. Price touches the support zone, closes above it on the next candle, entry triggers, stop loss goes a set number of pips below the level, and the target is the next resistance. Claude takes that description and helps you structure it into a logic framework of trading the platform can actually read and execute. Now, you still need a data source and a backtesting platform connected to run proper validation. Claude writes the logic, but software like Strategy Quant runs the historical tests, and they work together. Why simple strategies are the right place to start? There's a tendency in trading to assume complexity equals edge, that more indicators, conditions, and filters add up to a better system. Professional traders know the opposite is true. The more parameters you add to a system, the more you're fitting it to past data, rather than capturing a real, repeatable edge. What looks incredible in a backtest becomes catastrophic in live markets because you've memorized history rather than an identified pattern that will hold up tomorrow. This is exactly why strategies that survive years of proper testing across different markets tend to be built on basic, logical premises. Support and resistance, trend following, mean reversion. These ideas have persisted for decades because they reflect how real markets behave. So when you use Claude to automate a simple strategy, you're starting with a clean, testable idea that can be validated honestly. Which, by the way, if you want to learn much more in depth of how I'm taking advantage of things like this to trade profitably, there's a link in the description and a breakdown exactly of how we use this system. Now, most retail traders fly what I like to call a single engine plane. One strategy in one market with one setup. When it stops working and every strategy goes through periods of drawdown, the plane goes down. But hedge funds fly 30 engines. When one fails, the aircraft keeps flying. The goal is to use Claude to build as many algorithms and test them properly, to keep only the ones that survive during rigorous validation, then combine them into a portfolio that weathers all storms. When one struggles, the others carry the load. So the drawdowns shrink and the consistency builds. This is called the portfolio effect. The difference in thinking that separates how retail traders approach the market from how professional money operates. It's the reason our clients have built over $32 million in prop firm capital allocation. What Claude does is dramatically accelerate the front end of that process. Instead of spending weeks trying to figure out how to code a single idea, you can concept, draft, and iterate on multiple strategies in an afternoon, which gives you the ability to build algorithms much faster. What Claude can't do and why this matters now. The traders who get the most out of this already have a strategy built on logical premises, know what a valid backtest looks like, and understand why an equity curve that's too clean is a red flag. The traders who waste time with this are looking for Claude to invent a profitable system that they have to understand, and it won't do that. If you ask Claude to generate a strategy from nothing, you'll get something that may backtest beautifully and collapse immediately during live conditions, because you skip the step of understanding why the Hedge exists in the first place. The most common failure mode in retail algo trading is overfitting, which is building a system that fits historical data perfectly by adding conditions until it stops losing on paper, then deploying it live and watching it fall apart the moment the market does. Claude has no protection against that. Only proper validation does, where you run walk-forward analysis out of sample testing and stress testing across different market conditions. So use it to translate strategies you already know work, then build and iterate faster than you ever could alone, and remove the technical barrier that's been keeping you out of systematic trading. If you want to see exactly how this process works, check out the link in the description where I go into much more depth on how trading algorithms can actually work for retail traders. Now, you've seen what one AI-built system can do, but the idea of running many systems instead of chasing one perfect trade came from somewhere. I took it from a legendary hedge fund manager whose book changed how I trade. The man who built the most successful fund of his generation on a principle most retail traders have never even heard of. So watch this next video where I break down how his method works and how you can apply the same principle to your portfolio. See you there.